I myself is Chandrashekar Poojari. I am the partner of this Cube Auto Industries. So Cube Auto Industries is basically a automotive industry. We manufacture the trailer, special trailers and all kind of truck builtups. Cube Auto is 11-year-old company. It started in 2013. We manufacture all special kind of trailers in all segments like steel, cement, and ODC segments. So we deal with all OEMs like TATA, Ashok Leyland, Bharath Benz, Volvo, Eicher, etc. So SolidWorks helps us to develop our new products. So SolidWorks we use specially for our all these trailer designs. It is which is very critical in dimension wise and the load carrying and everything. We are using it from last 3-4 years, and it helps us. And we have very good support from CONCEPTIA to work with this SolidWorks, and we will upgrade also the future since it is beneficial for us.